Hey, it's Rima here at the UMI Performance Race Shop with another product spotlight. In front of me I have the UMI 6432 lower A-arms for 1973 to 1987 GM square body trucks. These strong tubular A-arms feature factory style ball joints, an adjustable steering stop system here so you can change how far the wheels turn and protect your expensive wheels and tires, a polyurethane bump stop. It includes the proper end-link hardware to fit the sway bar. Sway bar goes here. The spring pocket fits UMI 6452F front springs or any other popular spring combination for that. Double shear mount here for Bilstein or Viking shocks. Nice feature there. Reinforcements. 4130 chromoly cross shaft. This thing is heavy duty. And then greasable Delrin bushings, so nice and quiet, very precise steering. All of this works together to make the UMI 6432 lower A-arms for 73 to 87 GM square body. If you have any product related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.